Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cram for finals step by step. First, quickly assess your materials. Identify the most important topics and concepts that will likely appear on your exam. Then, estimate how much time you can realistically dedicate to each subject. Prioritize the areas that carry the most points or where you feel least confident. This initial scan helps you allocate your limited study time effectively and avoid wasting precious moments. Next, engage in active learning. Don't just passively read. Quiz yourself using practice questions or by explaining concepts aloud. Create brief summaries or flashcards for key information. This process forces your brain to retrieve and process information, which is far more effective than simply rereading notes. Aim for deep understanding rather than rote memorization to truly grasp the material. Now, optimize your study environment. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted and gather all your textbooks, notes, and supplies beforehand. Eliminate potential distractions like your phone or social media. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour. These breaks help prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh, allowing for better information retention during your cram session. Finally, conduct a rapid review of your summaries and flashcards right before the exam. This quick refresh helps solidify the information in your short-term memory. Most importantly, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 hours of quality sleep the night before your final. A well-rested mind performs significantly better under pressure. Also, remember to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.